I want to give you a full detailed face to the toes tan so that you can get your tan completely right. So last night I did all my shaving. I did a really good exfoliation to get rid of any old tan, any dead skin cells. So with the tan it will last about 5 days, maybe a little bit longer, but with it, it really does depend on what you do after your tan. If you're someone that loves a hot bath every day, your tan's going to come off quicker. If you're someone that goes in the sauna and steam, it will come off quicker. Anything in heat basically will remove the tan a lot quicker. But doing your tan, make sure you shower a few hours before, because if you're hot, your pores may be open, the product might not sink into the skin if you're sweating, and it might also just go on a bit funny. So make sure your skin's completely dry. So I showered earlier today, so I'm ready to go. I'm going to use some coconut oil on my eyebrows and also in my hairline. This will help to prevent with any staining. So if you're blonde, fair-haired, or you don't want to get it in your eyebrows, just do this and it will really help. And then just a bit in the hairline as well. Just want a tiny amount for the face. And I normally dab it on the cheeks first and the forehead because that's the large area. And then I just rub it in. Really got to the hairline. It's really important you go into the hairline. You don't want that fake tan look. You know when you can see someone's tan because they've got like this really funny line where they've stopped. And then obviously over the eyelids, under the eyelid. Not too much because obviously you want this to look light, especially if you wear makeup. Keep this area with less tan because then your eyes look more bright and healthy. And then obviously the ears. I'll go on to the upper body. Use moisturiser. I'm just using coconut oil, and I'm just going to put a tiny bit on my elbows. Obviously, because these bits are dry, you just don't want the tan to pick up too much in those areas. I do like 2 pumps for the arm and just apply it all over. So with this product, it's a medium colour. But if you want to go darker, if you want a deeper tan, you can do 2 layers, which will go to a dark. A little tip that I always like to do is that under the, so like this bit of your arm, I like to apply more because for me, it just makes me feel a bit better, like when my arms look more toned and slender and out of it. So that's just a little hack if you like that. Obviously everyone is different, not everyone wants to achieve the same sort of looks. Literally this line here, you don't want to do too much, but just a tiny bit more than the face, and it gives you that chiseled look. I honestly can't tell you how good it smells. This area here is constantly moving, constantly rubbing against each other. So it's really important not to over apply to this area. This area, you know, around here, you know, apply a couple of layers if you want, but here it's really important just to go over it, just gradually go over it, not too much. You don't want to be building up sort of tan in this area. So as you can see, got it on, but it's darker in these areas. It's already completely dry, so you can just put your clothes on, get on as normal. Just don't obviously go and do anything that will make you sweat or hot or too hot, because you do need to leave it on for 2 hours for it to develop properly. The thing with tanning as well is this is really quick to do, but if you're new to it, don't rush, just take your time, and the better you get at it, the quicker you'll get. And it's so easy to do, but you don't want to miss any areas. Onto the hands now. So with the hands, it's important not to directly go on them, and start here and just slide onto the hands. Make sure you get in between each bit, and really it is important just to glide over. So if you put too much on, never just go for it, just put it on your arm and you can work it into something else. Go to the sides as well, make sure you get all areas. You can see the hands are done. I don't want the tan on my nails, so I'm just going to get a cotton pad, my Lucy D tonic. This tonic works really well at removing tan, so if you do get any on the palms of your hands, wipe over it, and also on your nails as well. That's the back now. With the back, all you need is a wooden spoon, or if you've got someone to do your tan, perfect. But this is a little hack if you need it. Wooden spoon, hairband, tie it on, you've got your tanning partner. And then we're just gonna whack a bit on there. I do about, it's really hard to say, everyone's obviously body shape's different, everyone's different tans, but a couple of pumps on each area really. Okay, so we'll go on to the legs now. Again, I'm just going to put, I've already shaved my legs, exfoliated, so now I'm just going to put a tiny bit of coconut oil or moisturiser onto my knees and also the backs of my feet. I always start at the bottom and work my way up, again, personal preference. Do what works for you. Get in between your toes, go around the back. Try not to put too much on around the backs of the ankles, kind of use what you had from when you'd applied from this area down. You can just see the difference in them.
Shorty go jogging every morning, and she make me breakfast almost every morning. And she take a nigga pic before she leave the door. I be waking up the pics before.
And there you have it, full body tan. I'll be back in 2 hours to show you the final result. It's been 2 hours and this is the final outcome of the tan. I've had a shower, so as you can see it looks really natural. There's absolutely no orange tinge to it, there's no streaking, it's applied evenly to the body and it just feels amazing on. It's really hydrating as well, it's not drying at all with the ingredients we've used. So this product is palm oil free, cruelty free, vegan. It develops in 2 hours. It smells amazing when you're wearing it like tropical fruits, and when you wash it off, you cannot smell a thing. Nobody will even know you've done a tan. They're just going to be very envious of your beautiful, beautiful glow.